first you want to take off the key ring off of the key fob, open up the physical key, flip it out of the way, and this is a part you can do with your hand. So right in here where the key just popped out, you can push up like this. You just grab this side, hold it, and push up like this, and take this cover off. It's kind of like a soft plastic right here. Set that to the side, and now you have the battery. Now the battery is secure in there, and it has this side right here. It's a CR2032 battery, and you notice this little cover right here is covering up part of the battery. What you want to do is you can once again do this with your finger. You can slide it this way. It compresses that spring right here, and it'll pop up like so. Then you get the new one, put it in place, and then underneath this little catch right here, push it under that and push down, and it'll secure again. All right, so now we get the other side. Make sure we line it up properly like so. Make sure that's lined up, everything looks good, and then you can push it in place. Now, since it's like a soft plastic, it doesn't snap as much. Sometimes it'll snap, but sometimes it'll just go in place. You just want to double check around the edges, this seam, and then make sure there's no gaps. And then you're all finished.